In this video, I will show you how you can update your AirPods. Now, to do that, first of all, just put both of your AirPods in the AirPods case and close the lid. Now from here, just plug your AirPods into charge. Now, if your AirPods are low on charge, like if the battery percentage of the AirPods case or the AirPods itself is below 20%, just keep your AirPods into charge for a couple of minutes before completing this process. Now, after the charge of the AirPods and the AirPods case is above 20%, now it is important that your AirPods must be plugged into charge while they're updating. Now, after you've done that, now the next step is just open the lid of your AirPods. Now, after that, just pair your AirPods with your iPhone. After you pair your AirPods with your iPhone, now on your iPhone, just open the control center and make sure that your iPhone is connected to the internet. Now just connect your iPhone to either your Wi-Fi network or to your mobile data. Now after you've connected your iPhone to the Wi-Fi or to the mobile data, now just leave your AirPods paired with your iPhone and plugged into charge. Now just leave it for 20 minutes or more and your AirPods will automatically update its firmware. And this is how you can update your AirPods. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.